Hi all. In today class, we are going to see in detail about schematic diagram of diagnostic and therapeutic stimulating unit. Right. So in this diagram, this is the block diagram which is required to design the electrotherapy unit. First of all, I will ask you one question: what is very much needed in electrotherapy unit? What actually does? So yes, the electrotherapy unit, it's just going to give the current waveforms in different intensity and the current, time duration, right? So it means that the electrotherapy is going to be one setup. So we are with the options of changing intensity and time. That is the actual electrical therapy unit will be, right? So and also we have the option of selecting different types of current waveforms. So then electrotherapeutic unit should be able to give different type of current waveforms at various intensity option and various time duration options. This is all about electrotherapy unit. So keep in mind this particular functionality of this electrotherapy unit. Accordingly, we have to design that electrotherapy unit in what are in different blocks. Okay, so now we are coming into this part topic. Now we are going to see the electrotherapy unit schematic diagram, right? So what I said, this electrotherapy unit is going to give what, it's a current waveform. So we have option of choosing free running multivibrator. So this free running multivibrator, it will give on a constant current with a modification of intensity or time. Okay, so free running multiplier is going to be the act as a source here, so it's going to give the current waveforms. Okay, so based on our applications or based on the need, we can modify this current waveforms accordingly, because we have to give options of different current waveforms. Okay, only we should not use the norm or single current waveforms for the application. This electrical circuit therapy unit should have the options of using different types of current waveforms. So in last class we discussed nearly four different types, right? Galvanic, surge current, Faraday current, and triangular current, everything. So that options of different currents we have to inbuilt here in designing. Okay. So first we found out the source, that is a free running multivibrator. So then we have a pulse width circuit. Here we can have modification. We can do the modification of that free running multivibrator output, so that we will have some kind of current output, that is the interrupt current output, that you will get point here. Okay, that is the M2, and M1 is nothing but straight DC current we are getting. Okay, that is minus 150 volt is there, right? That is the straight current. If you are making this part is like output stage. Okay, if you are making connect with directly to the galvanic, that is the straight DC current, means that the type of current is called galvanic current, because there is no modulation in the current waveform, just you have a constant flow of current. Okay, so that you are taking from direct DC current, that is 150 volt. That type of current is called galvanic current. So one type of waveform we occurred. Okay, we got it from the design. Second one is that we have already the source, that is free running multivibrator, and then after doing the modulation with the pulse width, then we are getting one type of current, that is the interrupt galvanic current. Okay, so here also you have some sort of straight current and you have interrupt. Okay, in between you have interruption because of changes in pulse width by means of pulse width circuit. So the output of that current is the interrupt galvanic current. That is a second option, that is a second type of current waveforms. And third type of current waveform is triangular pulse generator. So just by adding the triangular pulse generator block, you can directly you will get triangular pulse current waveform. Okay, that is going to be the third current. And fourth current is the Faraday current. Okay, so fourth current is what is mean by Faraday pulse generator. So this Faraday pulse generator block will going to produce the Faraday pulse. So straightly you can take it Faraday pulse current. So you know the Faraday current is that is it has a defined shape and current intensity. Okay, so this Faraday current, if you do some modulation in the circuit, means then you can able to get surge current, because surge current means just you have to increase the slope, sudden increasing and sudden decreasing. So for that changes, you have to add one more block just to modulate the Faraday current, so that you can get the surge current. So for that only here you have adding the modulating circuit for surge Farad. Okay, so output of this one is you will get Faraday current, or even you can have the combination of surge and Faraday current. Okay, so these are the different output you can get in single electrotherapy unit. Once again I'm repeating, you have a output stage, you have a input stage. The input side you have to have different blocks so that you will have an option of choosing different types of waveforms. Output current, just by means of switch, based on a need we can make choosing a different type of current waveforms. Okay, the first current waveform is the galvanic current. Okay, straightly you are taking the input from directly from DC. So second one is we have the source for this electrotherapy unit, that is a free running multivibrator. So that source signal you are doing some pulse width modulation. By means of pulse width circuit you are getting some interrupt galvanic current that you have as a second option. And third one is you have triangle pulse generator. So from that you can directly take out triangular pulse current waveforms. And third one you have a Faraday pulse generator. From that you can take directly the Faraday impulse. And then you have a modulating circuit for producing such Faraday current. So from this you are taking input from Faraday current, and you have some modulation circuit so that it have the combination of both surge and Faraday, that you can take it as a output as one of the option, that is surge Faraday current. So since you have a different current waveform option, so based on the demand or the application or the need or the area of the treatment, you can use any of these different option available just by making the connection of current a constant current output stage to that particular level of currents. Okay, so this is the just simple basic the schematic diagram of diagnostic and therapeutic stimulating unit. Okay, thank you.